वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। सिर्फ 2 मिनट में चेक कीजिए कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड में आपकी तैयारी कैसी है। तो अर्थशास्त्र के इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के कुछ प्रश्नों को लेकर हम यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। विश्व व्यापार से जुड़े ये जो एमसीक्यूज हैं वो परीक्षा में सीधे पूछे जा सकते हैं, इसलिए आप अपना स्कोर बताएंगे कमेंट करके। और इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के महत्वपूर्ण टर्म्स को के पर आधारित इस एमसीक्यू को हम लोग अभी हल करते हैं। ठीक। First question is, what is meant by balance of trade? A, difference between exports and imports of goods. B, difference between exports and imports of services. C, government budget balance. D, foreign exchange reserves. Answer is A, difference between exports and imports of goods. Balance of trade measures the difference between a country's merchandise exports and imports. A positive balance indicates a trade surplus, while a negative balance indicates a trade deficit. Question number 2. Which term refers to taxes imposed on imported goods? A, quota. B, subsidy. C, tariff. D, embargo. Answer is C, tariff. A tariff is a tax imposed by a government on imported products to protect domestic industries or generate revenue. Question number 3. A quantitative restriction on imports is known as a tariff. B, quota. C, subsidy. D, exchange rate. Answer is B, quota. A quota limits the quantity of a particular good that can be imported during a specified period. Question number 4. Dumping. Dumping occurs when goods are exported at a price lower than domestic price. B, imports exceeds exports. C, goods are taxed heavily. D, currency appreciates. Answer is A, goods are exported at a price lower than the domestic price. Dumping is a practice where firms sell products abroad at price below their domestic market price or production cost to gain market share. Question number 5. What is an import substitution policy? A, encouraging exports. B, replacing imports with domestic production. C, increasing foreign aid. D, removing tariffs. Answer is B, replacing imports with domestic production. Import substitution aims to reduce dependence on foreign goods by promoting domestic industries. Question number 6. Which organization regulates international trade rules globally? A, IMF. B, World Bank. C, WTO. D, UNDP. Answer is C, WTO. The World Trade Organization establishes and monitors global trade rules and resolves trade disputes among the member countries. So, if there is any dispute among the member countries of WTO, World Trade Organization, then it is removed by WTO. So, it removes the conflicts or disputes among member countries only. Question number 7. A situation where exports exceed imports is called a trade deficit. B, trade surplus. C, current account deficit. D, devaluation. It is called trade deficit. B, a trade surplus occurs when the value of export is greater than the value of imports. Sorry, answer is trade surplus. B. So when the exports are greater than imports. Question number 8. Which term refers to government financial assistance given to domestic producers? Is called A, tariff. B, quota. C, subsidy. D, embargo. Answer is C, subsidy. Subsidy reduces production cost and makes domestic goods more competitive in international markets. Question number 9. What is embargo? A, tax on exports. B, complete ban on trade with a country or product. C, export promotion measures. D, currency control. Answer is B, complete ban on trade with a country or product. An embargo prohibits trade with the specific countries or goods, often for political or security reasons. Question number 10. What does free trade mean? A trade without any government restriction is called free trade. B, trade only among developed countries. C, trade controlled by WTO. D, trade financed by governments. Answer is A, trade without any government restrictions is called free trade. Free trade involves minimal tariff, quota, and other barriers in international trade. Question number 11. The exchange rate refers to A. Tax on imports, B. Price of one currency in terms of another currency, C. Foreign aid received, D. Foreign earnings. Answer is B. Foreign price of one currency in terms of other currency. Exchange rates determines how much one country's currency can be exchanged for another country's currency. Now you are very much aware of the exchange rate of dollar and rupee. Question number 12, devaluation. Devaluation means increase in currency value, B. Deliberate reduction in currency value by the government, C. Increase in exports only, D. Reduction in imports only. Answer is B. Deliberate reduction in currency value by the government. Devaluation is done to make exports cheaper and imports more expensive in international markets. Question number 13. Which term describes the removal of trade barriers among the member countries? A. Protectionism, B. Trade liberalization, C. Dumping, D. Embargo. Answer is B. Trade liberalization. Trade liberalization promotes international trade by reducing tariff, quota, and other restrictions. Question number 14. What is a trade deficit? Imports exceeds exports, B. Exports exceed imports, C. Equal exports and imports, D. No foreign trade. Answer is A. Imports exceed exports. A trade deficit occurs when a country spends more on imports than earns from exports. Question number 15. Producing all goods more efficiently. Producing A. Comparative advantage means producing all goods more efficiently, B. Producing goods at a lower opportunity cost than others, C. Having more resources than other countries, D. Exporting only agricultural products. Answer is B. Producing goods at lower opportunity cost than others. The theory of comparative advantage developed by David Ricardo states that countries should specialize in producing goods that they can make at the lowest opportunity cost and trade for other goods. Can you score 15 out of 15 in this international trade MCQs? Most students confuse trade deficit dumping, comparative advantage. Test your knowledge, and if you are preparing for UGC NET, Economics, IGNOU, MEC, UPSC, RBI, Grade B, save these MCQs and share with your friends. Like and subscribe this video and channel too. Thank you.